You cannot touch me. You cannot touch me.
Team 10 is investigating questions that still surround this cell phone video. It shows a young man struggling with a plainclothes San Diego sheriff's deputy. Team 10 investigator Melissa Massey have found some interesting information on the sheriff's policy on the use of force.
And Itika, this is not the first time the department is dealing with allegations of excessive force. The driver in this video saying the detective put him in a chokehold and he passed out. The sheriff's department, though, saying it was a carotid restraint. That is legal. We also learned here within the last hour the detective has been with the department for more than 20 years. The sheriff's department confirmed he remains on his current assignment.
You cannot touch me. You cannot touch me.
Sit down.
Sir, can you call the police?
Sit down.
Sir?
That's a video gaining so much attention. It shows Robert Branch struggling with San Diego Sheriff's Detective Paul Ward. Team 10 learned Ward is with the Child Abuse Unit. Branch works as a security guard. Branch and Ward were driving westbound on I-8 on May 4th. According to the Sheriff's Department, a speeding vehicle drove up behind Ward. Branch exited College Avenue. Ward followed. Both vehicles stopped on Lambda Drive, and that's when the confrontation happened.
You cannot touch me. You cannot touch me. You cannot touch me. You see that?
Team 10 looked into a 2007 independent audit of the Sheriff's Department's use of force. This was after a series of deadly incidents. The audit recommended the department modify its carotid restraint policy to require suspects show assaultive behavior or aggravated active resistance. At the time, the audit said the carotid restraint policy seemed liberal about allowing the technique in a range of circumstances. Sheriff's Department saying he resisted arrest. Was he resisting arrest?
Absolutely not. He was not. He was standing there waiting for a uniformed officer. He was not attempting to leave the scene. He was not acting assaultively. He was not doing anything that would cause Officer Ward to be fearful for his own safety nor the safety of persons around.
Branch's allegations come just days after a source told Team 10 the Department of Justice is investigating the San Diego Sheriff's Department. Team 10 learned it's over possible issues with the Americans with Disabilities Act and the 2012 arrest of Antonio Martinez, who has Down syndrome. Martinez's family has filed a lawsuit against Deputy Jeffrey Guy and the county, claiming excessive force. Right now, the Sheriff's Department is looking into getting body cameras. I also asked the Sheriff's Department if any changes have been made since that 2007 audit. Right now, I'm still waiting to hear back on that. The DA's office says this case right here still being investigated.
All right, Melissa. Well, Team 10 is always working to get results. If you have a story idea or a tip you would like to share, just email us at team10@10news.com.